Have you ever pulled a bag of chips out of the cupboard and felt like there was less in there than there used to be? Or noticed your favorite cereal box looks a little thinner than you remember? You're not imagining it. It's a real thing, it has a name, and it's quietly costing your family hundreds of dollars a year. It's called shrinkflation, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works, why it's so hard to spot, and the one simple habit that beats it every single time. Let's get into it. So let's start with what shrinkflation actually is. Shrinkflation is when a company shrinks the size of a product, but keeps the price exactly the same. Instead of raising the price, which you'd notice immediately, they quietly take a little bit out of the package and leave the number on the shelf untouched. You walk by, you see the same price you always pay, and you toss it in the cart. Nothing feels wrong, but you just paid the same money for less product. And here's how much it adds up to. One analysis that tracked popular grocery brands from 2020 to 2026 found that the average family of four now pays about $741 more per year for the very same groceries, largely because of these hidden size reductions. $741. That's a car payment. That's a month of groceries, gone without you ever making a single decision to spend it. Let me give you a concrete example because this one's easy to picture. A bag of Doritos that was 15.5 ounces and cost $4.79 a few years back? Today that same bag is 14.4 ounces, and it'll run you $6.69. So think about that. You're getting less in the bag and you're paying more for it. Smaller and more expensive at the same time. And unless you were checking the net weight on the package, you would never ever catch it. Now here's the part that really stings. Once a company shrinks a package, it almost never goes back. Studies have found that virtually every major brand that downsized its box or its bag over the last few years simply kept that smaller size. The shrunk version becomes the new normal. It doesn't bounce back when costs settle down. It just stays shrunk permanently. Now, I want to be straight with you here because the truth matters more than the outrage. Economists actually draw a distinction between true shrinkflation, where an existing product comes back in a smaller package, and the broader trend of smaller new products slowly replacing bigger ones over time. And true shrinkflation is actually a little less widespread than some of the viral posts online would have you believe. So I'm not here to tell you every product on the shelf is out to get you. But for the products it does affect, the extra cost is very real. Government analysis found that the per unit price increase on downsized products ranged from about 12% on paper towels all the way up to 32% on coffee. That's a real hit to a real grocery budget. And this isn't financial advice, just something worth knowing before your next trip to the store. So let's talk about how you actually beat it, because this is the good news. There's one simple habit that catches shrinkflation every single time, and it's this. Stop looking at the sticker price and start looking at the unit price. That's the little number on the shelf tag that tells you the cost per ounce, or per sheet, or per pound. That number cuts right through the packaging tricks. Doesn't care how big the box looks. It tells you exactly what you're paying for what you're actually getting, and it lets you compare two products honestly in about 3 seconds. Beyond that, a few more things help. Buy store brand or generic because the per ounce savings there are often significant, and the quality is frequently identical. Compare the net weight between brands instead of trusting the size of the box, because packaging is designed to look bigger than what's inside. And keep an eye on the categories where this hides the most. That's coffee, cereal, snacks, paper products, and box staples like mac and cheese. Those are the ones bought often and rarely scrutinized, which is exactly why they get targeted. Here's the bottom line. Shrinkflation works because it counts on you not paying attention. The moment you start checking that unit price, you take all its power away. And the households that stay ahead of rising grocery costs aren't the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones who track what they actually spend and notice when their money quietly starts buying less. If you'd like a simple way to do exactly that, I've built a grocery budget planner that helps you see your real per trip spending so hidden costs like this stop slipping past you. You can check it out using the link down in the description below. So next time you're at the store, flip that package over, check the unit price, and don't let them shrink your money without you noticing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.